Alright, today I just want to make a quick video of how to install the new replacement light bulb. There they are, the replacements. There's the burnt out one on this 2010 Mercedes GL450, and this one is the corner light. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to pull the little pigtail up where the light goes in there, and these are the replacement numbers. Couldn't really find any specifications on here. Didn't really give much other than the 12 volt 5 watts. So I just kind of matched them up, same size, 12 volt 5 watts. So those are the ones right there. So we're gonna go ahead and open these up, grab the light bulb, and go ahead and install it. Alright, and there it is. And if you install it with your fingers without gloves, just go ahead and wipe out the oils off the light bulb. That way it has a longer lifespan. And we're going to go ahead and put it into its place. Alright, so from this back view, we're going to go ahead and grab it and slip it in through here. And from the top, you can see the light bulb here. And we're just going to go ahead and insert it into its place. Just wiggle that sucker in there. You might want to use both hands, but you can't because you can't reach. So what you're gonna have to do is grab a flathead to kind of poke it on this side and help it as you're pushing it with your finger from underneath. So let me just go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to secure it into its place. You have to turn it. I'm trying, but I really can't. There's really no room in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out because you have to, this is how it's gonna go latched in. So you have to turn it like this, insert it, and then turn it to lock it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Alrighty, you just wanna try to wiggle that as much as possible to get it nice and straight. Once you have it in there, go ahead and turn on the lights. Perfect. Give it a nice little tug. It ain't coming out. Perfect. Alright, and that is how you install this corner light on a 2010 Mercedes GL 450. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. It's a super tight fit. My hands are nice and fat.